ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Chairman Jonker Regional Committee ni kabinta ka Ribhoy District uba Preston Tinsong, lembar Chairman Jonker Regional Committee ni kabinta ka West Khasi Hills District uba Renington Lingdo Tongkar, haka pratarik ubanay no para arajar arpuway, kila IT ka kaipot ho Menteri Rangba Jonker Jilla Konrad Kongger Sangma, hadin bakila pendap ya ka jinglet sorjamin ya ki jaka ki badan haka jingya ka jiapot, hapadeng ka Jilla Meghalaya bat ka Jilla Assam. Haga jingya keren bat kilat pathai khubor uba Preston Tinsong bat uba Renington kila ong. Bakin ampat la ban yathu pat ba halor ka kaipod bakila dep IT show Menteri Rangba namar bayagane ka kam ansa shong bishar do Menteri Rangba ka Jilla Meghalaya Konrad Sangma haga sin shong jingelang ka bansalong shen bat Menteri Rangba ka Jilla Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma.
Today we have submitted the report of the regional committee constituted by both the government of Assam and government of Meghalaya, and because in the chief minister's meeting they decided that the report should be submitted separately. The government of Assam, the regional committee from Assam, they will submit directly to the chief minister of Assam, and then the regional committee from Meghalaya will submit the report to Chief Minister of Meghalaya. So accordingly, the regional committee of Ribhoy district, we have just submitted the report to the Honorable Chief Minister. Dan iban ong bangan patay yang detail yang report kejungi. Namarkan ni kadek report kami submit kat kum ka terms of reference. Kapa nakaliang jong ka baru anwut Chief Minister kelai te ngi nakaliang jongi ngilai submit. Bat kabasa kalau mentah sa kini ki arngut ki chief minister bakin study ka dik report na daw ye mentah ngan namakan batai detail ka ek report ka ba ngigi submit na kale committee until unless na kaliang kami jong ki chief minister jongi na Meghalaya but chief minister jong Assam bakin la yang bedon kam. See, for that I think the best the best question it can be put, maybe it can be asked to the honorable chief minister, not to me. Because from our side is what I'm telling you, the regional committee is only, their duty is to inspect and prepare report. Joint inspection has been done, and accordingly the report is just submitted today. So that is our duty to do, and we look forward that both the chief minister will sit down immediately, and ultimately they'll take a decision. See, this is the physical inspection that we made. It is always there. Some of them they may say we prefer to go to Assam. Some of them they will say we will go to Meghalaya. But I'm telling you, as the responsibility of the regional committee is one. We listen to them, and number two, the historical facts has to be there, geographical facts has to be there, ethnicity facts has to be there, and also the willingness of the people has to be there. So these are the criteria where we ultimately submitted a report today. Because the question of give and take, in fact, it does not arise right now. Because we have submitted a report, as I said to you, we after inspection, we have gone down up to the ground zero, and we have seen all the factuality, all the reality. So therefore, we submitted the report. So as I said to you, I think the Chief Minister or Chief Minister from Meghalaya and the Chief Minister from Assam, they will sit down, they will read line by line the report submitted by the respective regional committee, and I'm sure they'll come to a conclusion. We will have a consultative meeting with all the stakeholders, and that I think CM will inform you the date, but we will do it as early as possible.
We have just submitted the report of the regional committee, so I'm happy to inform you that we as members of the committee, we have really worked hard, and we have been able to submit the report today to the Chief Minister. It's a thick report, 265 pages report. We have submitted. So now it depends on the government now to call again for a state level meeting. And of course, we wish all the best to the government to be able again to take up with Assam. And based on the report that we have given, we hope a positive response will be there from both state government to settle the problem that our people in the border are facing. So as of now, I don't want to share the insight of the report, but because the Chief Minister and with the committee again at the state level will check which one that we can disclose and which one we cannot disclose. But the only thing is that I have submitted the report, we have submitted the report, and I think it's very positive towards the people residing in the border area. Well, it is. I hope it will be in the interest of the state, in the interest of the people residing in the borders. So that is the report, like that it will be in the interest of the people residing in the border. You see, the give and take policy, as you know, people, they don't like that word, so I will not say also give and take policy, but it's justified according to the factors that it has been laid to consider for the decision of both the state government to decide whether it will fall under Assam or Meghalaya. That it has been considered wisely and positively. I hope it will be for the betterment of the people residing in the border area only. Of course, that's what we wanted, that the joint visit, we don't want to have any differences. We want to be same report, and I wish it will be the same only, the joint report, the joint inspection that we have done. But yes, it's not only the joint inspection. As the committee, the regional committee, we have discussed other thing also, other factor also to put under consideration. So, of course, mainly it's the finding that we found on the joint inspection, and it will be similar. I hope Assam also will give the similar report that we have given, because most of the thing we base on the finding that we found while going to the spot, to the villages. Yeah, they have expressed their will. That's the only thing. We have made them to express their will. We have given the chance to them, even though there are sometimes that they are worried that they may not get the chance, but at last we have managed to give them a chance to speak out whatever they wanted to say. So we have given fair chance to them. Since we are going to meet again, because Chief Minister's level meeting will take place, we hope that it will be taken place in this month. So it will be done.